So now we have assembled this one sections. So what we can do with this is there are a few things. Firstly, we can do simple kinematics. Let's see, zoom in like this. You can look over here. Previously the manipulations icon. Okay, so I will rotate this along y axis. So I need to click this along y axis and need to click with respect to constraint box. So if I turn this, we move the pistons. So this is important for you to do it in kinematics later next week. Alright, so this is the kinematic movement. So this is a simple kinematic movement for this assembly. Okay, clicking OK, it will save as current positions. Secondly, you also can edit any parts in an assembly, so you don't need to open windows for the part windows. One is part windows and one is assembly, and do editing there and move it here. So we can do editing, such as you can do it in an assembly. Let's see, if I want to change this color, simple one is color. This is a red color. So let's check. This is the piston. So expand this piston part. You can see this history tree about the piston making. You can double click here, and we are now moved to wireframe and surface design. If we want to move to part design, so we just click mechanical design and go to part design, and now are in part design. Part design workbench for piston. Okay, because it is highlighted here, blue color highlighted. So this is the piston. Editing in part design. Let's say if you want to edit the crankshaft, you double click over here, any of the parts of the crankshaft. So we'll highlight the crankshaft, so you can edit the crankshaft. Okay, let's come back to the piston. I'm double clicking piston. When moving, we are now in the piston part design. So let's change the color. Let's see if we can change it here. Piston. Okay, so we cannot change here, so we can change it in the part body. Let's see, we change it to orange. Okay, so we have changed that. Or let's say if we want to create any of editing with the piston, also we can do it here. Let's say I want to create another holes on top of the pistons. It's 85 diameters, and create a pocket. Dimensions 10. Let's see. Okay, so it is 2 deep. Let's make it 2. Okay, so we have edit the pistons. So we can go back to the product by clicking the product 1 on top of the assembly history tree. So now we are in assembly workbench for the assembly of the 4-valve engines, and we have edited the piston. Okay, so this is important, and we can use it if this part is not tally with this part, so you can just straightforward edit, go to this part, double clicking it, we go to part design. So we are now in editing the engine block, blue color, right, engine block, so you can do editing. So if you need this area to be tally and same diameter with this piston, so just straightforward edit the engine block. Okay. Okay, so for this engine block, you can look at my video tutorial to do it, or also you can look at the CATIA tutorials. Let's check. Double clicking this. So this is the assembly file. So it's the front page, and then go to the next page. Okay, so this is 7.1 assembly design workshop 1. I have attached the files in the PDF file, so you can select all and save your folder. Okay, let's see if we can make a new folder in the desktop. Okay, for buff engine again. Screw as I have it. First one, so I'm just note S2 here. Okay. Let's check it. Okay, so we have this file over here. Okay, it's not saving. I need to do it again. Save. Okay, so now we are saved into the folders. Right. So what we can do now, you can follow. You can do the tutorial as I have stated. So for 7.1 in assembly workshop. Complete that to understand about the steps, and also you can also do this on your own. So for the excavator, right? So we have attached the files inside this PDF, so just save it and do step by step as shown here. So we'll go back, we'll come back to this area. So how we can save this? Okay, file. Don't use this save, Control S. We'll use this save management. Okay, let's see. We have product 1.create product is not used. This is another window. Okay, so file, save management again. So this is the CAD part. Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, we need to save this. Save as. It's not another window. This is just only one window. Okay. Go to desktop. And for buff engine, the first file is over here. So let's just save and propagate directory. Clicking propagate directory will save any of the files related to the same locations. Right? So clicking OK. You save the files in the same folder. Let's see, this is for buff engine 2. So not this one, it is for buff engine. Okay, so product 1 inside this folder. So when you want to bring your files with a pen drive and share with your friend, you need to copy all files in the same folder. Okay, such as now I have one product 1, product that is supported by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parts. So you need 5 parts, files and 1 product to be in the same folder and send it to your friend. Please don't send only this file. This is only a shortcut. Okay. So this is about the assembly. There is more tools that you can see over here, but then you can check it with the tutorial to have more understanding about it. Yes, you can see the bill of material over here. You can also look at the compute clash and sectionings. Okay, as usual, we have also measure initial to measure all this assembly. Okay, so that is for assembly. Let's check. Okay, so this is the assembly presentations. Come back. Okay, save your file using save management. So this is the part that is supported to the CATIA assembly. As I mentioned before, put it in the same folder. So you can, if you want to share your file, please share these folders. Okay, your friends. And also you can see here, if you have assembly, it is advisable to make it in different colors so that you can differentiate between parts. Okay, such as this, you have orange color. This is, we can see in the first glance, single glance, we can see that it is another part. This is different parts. This is another different parts. Okay, so same this, we have colors to differentiate between parts. And also please remember that springs and flexible parts cannot move in CATIA V5 unless for do analysis testing. So you can see here, this is a spring. So this is the car mechanism. If this part is moved, so this spring should be compressed. Okay, so if we do that with the assembly, it will not show the spring compressed or decompressed unless for analysis testing. Okay, so I have also attached videos of assembly design in the same PDF file for the assembly. Let's check. Okay, so you can download it and open it in your workstations. So let's see. So this is another parts that you can do your exercise on your own. It's about making a piston. It's almost similar to the first tutorial. Okay, so it's about doing assembly, doing parts. Okay, so you can start with this assembly design workshop 1, complete this, and then you can also do this to complete it. So we have 2 workshops to be finished in the whole week. Right, so that's all for assembly design. So I hope you guys can do the exercise on your own and stay safe.